Hey everybody, it's Julie. Welcome to my kitchen and welcome to my channel. Tonight we are going to be making, what are we going to be making? Let's see here. Chicken, bacon, cabbage, and portobello mushroom syrup with walnuts. Yes. How's the weather in your part of the country? Ours is gloomy. You know, we got Texas weather. We were up in the 70s today. Yeah, we were just 35 2 nights ago. So go figure. I don't understand it. But anyway, to flip y'all around and show you what we're going to be needing. Okay, so what we're going to be needing tonight is chicken thighs. I've already washed them and I let them out to thaw, and I've already washed them. I put them back in my bag because I had some other things I had to do. We're going to use walnut halves, oregano leaves, thyme, and they're both dried, apple cider vinegar, minced garlic, napa cabbage. You can find this at Walmart. Sometimes it's hard to find, but you can find it. We're going to need bacon. Did I say portobello? Nope. Portobello whole mushrooms. You're going to use those, the portobello whole mushrooms, and garlic, and the Himalayan salt, and pepper.
Well, I forgot to push play. What we're going to do is we're going to cut the bacon up, we're going to dice it up, and we're going to fry it up in our pan. While that's frying up, we're going to do our chicken. We're going to dice it also. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is take the bacon out of the pan and put it in a small bowl. And what we're going to do is add the chicken to the bowl, to the pan, and we're going to put in our oregano, salt, black pepper, thyme. I'm missing footage on that. I'm sorry, I don't know what I did with it. Doing that a lot lately. Maybe it's just a brain fart. And what we're going to do here is we're going to shred, basically, cut it in small pieces. We're going to cut it out.
You know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. 'Cause you know the world is beautiful, so beautiful. And I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away. 'Cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Okay, now what we're going to do with the portobello caps is we are going to slice them up. That is all we're going to do is slice them. We're not going to dice them. No, do not dice. We're just going to slice. what I'm getting ready to do is chop the walnuts a little finer than what it is, because they're a little bit too big, because they say to chop them up fine.
So beautiful, and I just can't hide how I feel about you. Nothing can take that away, 'cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
Bigger pieces because I don't know about that.
We want our lives to be like a dream, but we get stuck in reality. You feel the same, you know what I mean. Time to make a change. Aren't you fed up? Aren't you curious? What we could do if we put some trust.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our portobello mushrooms and put them in our pan, and we're going to cook our cabbage and our mushrooms down. And my roommate wanted spinach with this. So I put the spinach on and I drained my grease or my liquid out of my pan. And then I'm going to add my chicken and cabbage back in. Now we're going to add our bacon back into our pan. That's my roommate there. He's dishing out his spinach. He loves spinach. into our chicken mixture.
Devoted to a way of being, but he broke wide open like a bird in spring, with a deep lime potion made of love and pain. He was really living, yeah man, all the way, with a deep emotion made of love and pain. She lived in the panic, made a home with the sirens, couldn't make it off the front porch, red flag behind each door. She held a scar like an aspen, golden by her age, high horse with her head back, devoted to what should have been, but she broke wide open like a bird in spring, with a deep lime potion.
I put more butter on it because he drained all of the juice. So, you know what? It doesn't matter because butter makes everything taste better. The more the merrier.
With a deep emotion made of love and pain.
Okay, here what we're going to do is we're going to put our apple cider vinegar in our mixture.
And that, my friends, is fun.
So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all try it. Just remember to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. And we'll see you later. Bye.